Welcome back to the channel, folks. Don't forget to share, like, and please subscribe if you already haven't. Lots more to come. Today, I'm outside. Different for me. I'm usually stuck in the garage, but I'm outside today because I'm stripping. Anyhow, I got a set of Billet running boards off of somebody, and it has paint on it. I tried to pick at it a little bit, and it didn't want to come off. So I bought what you see here, and I'm going to try and spray it on and see if the paint will come off. If it does, hopefully this stuff works. I'm going to use a pressure washer, which might help it a little bit more even. We'll see. Let's get into it and see what we can do. Okay, so make sure you have gloves on and wear a mask. This is aircraft remover. You don't want it removing the fibers out of your lungs. So let's spray it on. Put my mask on. Okay, as you can see, I was having a problem with the can. I had to keep shaking it up really hard. It felt like it was running out of aerosol at half can. Don't know, but I needed cartridges for my respirator because I could smell it through it. Now it's already, I don't know, I can't see my camera viewfinder real good, but it's blistering up already. So it is going to work on the sides. It doesn't look like the inlay is blistering up yet, but it does say wait 15 minutes. To be fair, I gotta give it a chance. So, all right, after 10 minutes, let's check them out. It is really blistering up. I can tell now. Some of it isn't, and some of it is. I'm gonna let it go like it recommends for 15 completely or a little longer. See what it does. Okay, while I'm waiting, here's the pond that my wife did. She's 14 feet long, about 7 feet wide, a couple feet deep in some areas. She did a really good job. And there's the waterfall. Still got a lot of landscaping to do, like over here, needs all done. Takes time. She put a lot of effort into this. Really come out nice. And there's koi in there. But I was really happy with what she did. It looks good. Just got to finish putting a cobblestone walkway in around it. But it really come out nice. I'm really proud of her. She made a really nice, relaxing area in the yard for us. Okay, let's pressure wash. So, that's with one coat and spray. I could peel a lot of that off, believe it or not, because I was grabbing hold of it and it was peeling right up. So it actually worked pretty well. I'm going to hit a second coat in some of them areas that were a little stubborn. But that paint was on it professionally. I could tell it wasn't rattle canned. So let's try second coat. Okay, so after a repeated process, this stuff can peel right out. I got to do it by hand with a little screwdriver and get it out. It actually didn't work bad. The paint was professionally put on. I could tell it looked flawless, but it doesn't match the color of my car, so it had to be removed. But as you can see, it's just a matter now of getting in there with a little screwdriver, and then it peels right out. So the clean strip did work. I wished it would have worked a little better than it did, or I could have just used a pressure washer and got it all out, but maybe I'm expecting too much. But in a nutshell, it did work pretty good. I can't complain because I can tell that paint was professionally put on. All right, so I would have to say it wasn't bad. It took like 98% of it off, so it did its job. I just got to pick a little bit in a few spots, but no big deal. Thanks for being here. Please subscribe to the channel, share, hit like, and comment, and I'll be back soon.